Hey guys, so today we have another unboxing. This seller is called Zone 10 Tropical from eBay. And I opened the box and almost forgot to make a video. Open the box here. So let's just go ahead and do that. Now it's nicely packaged. He taped it down pretty good. It's a 12-inch tree. It's a very small pot. And there is like a little warm pack in here. That's very nice and generous. Okay, so you guys should already know that this is a tropical plant, given that they put a warm pack. So this is a peanut butter fruit tree. And it is wrapped in all this plastic. Let me unwrap this and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, so apparently there are 2 layers of plastic here. I have to take the other plastic off. Give me a second. Okay, so it's falling. Okay, so as you can see, there are 3 layers of plastic. I took 2 off already. 1, 2. So let's see if I could take this off on camera. Would have been nice to cut the bottom and slide it off. I'm gonna see. All right, I'll have to get back with you guys. Okay, so I decided to use a box cutter and just cut it down halfway and finish ripping it down. But as you can see, it's a very gorgeous tropical leaf. I love this. Big and curly at the edges, and there's some new growth on top. I hope those continue growing because it's in my zone now, so it might go through some adjustments. Some leaves might fall off, you know, all of that. But I'm optimistic. I hope it don't lose any leaves. It's very nice. Very pretty tree. I like it. But again, this is a peanut butter tree. So I got it from eBay. Again, I got it from the seller Zone 10 Tropical. And he gave me some care informations also, which was nice of him. The fruit is like red when it's ripe and it's green when it's not ripe, and it tastes like peanut butter, hence the name peanut butter fruit tree or peanut butter tree. So that's very interesting. So this will be going in my greenhouse, and I'm gonna put it in a bigger pot. So just wanted to show you guys the lovely peanut butter tree, and hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and have a good day. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show everybody the peanut butter tree. I put it in the greenhouse, and I did up pot it into a gallon size pot. So let me show you guys what it looked like in the greenhouse. So this is it here. And as you can see, it's in a bigger size pot. At first it came in this little 4-inch pot, which is not ideal for the tree. And let me step back so everybody can see. It looks a little limp, but it's probably just from being in a different zone. Maybe it's just getting adjusted to my zone. Like some of the leaves, like this one here, looks a little flop. And this one, it's not as perky as it was a day ago, but I'll keep watching it and see how it does. I did water it 2 days ago, and the soil is still moist. The soil is still moist. Still look okay. The new growth right here is folded a little, look a little limp also, but like I said, it might go through some kind of adjustments because I'm in zone 8A, and this tree came from Florida, I think zone 10, so it might go through a little change here and there. But let me give you guys some facts about the tree, some specifics. So I read online that the tree is a relative of the acerola cherry tree, which is also called the Barbados Cherry. Also, it lowers cholesterol levels, the fruit, and it contains lycopene, which is an antioxidant with many benefits like sun protection, heart health, improve heart health, and it lowers the risk of a certain type of cancer. Lycopene is also found in tomatoes, but in this peanut butter tree, you get 10 times the amount of lycopene. So I think that's awesome. Those are good facts. So it has a lot of great benefits. If you're in a zone where you can grow a peanut butter tree, I suggest you grow one. Or if you want to buy one and put it in a greenhouse like me, you can. Hopefully the tree adjusts to my zone and start to flourish very well. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.